In today's complex and competitive environment, successful industrial equipment companies effortlessly define and manufacture quality products that meet customer needs and comply with regulations. At the heart of this success is total quality and safety, a cutting-edge data-driven solution that is foundational to product excellence. By seamlessly integrating digital continuity and governance, it revolutionizes quality processes from product engineering to manufacturing and after-sales service delivery. As a single repository, it empowers teams to harness knowledge, foster collaboration, elevate quality standards, drive productivity, and ignite innovation. This strategy reduces customer claims by 15%, delivers products on specification and quality up to 30%, and minimizes poor quality costs by 30%. Total quality and safety enables informed decision-making, continuous improvement, waste reduction, and enhanced efficiency. Experience complete visibility and control, as well as synchronization of operational activities, real-time quality management, traceability, effective corrective actions, and sustainable solutions in an agile and robust environment. Discover more.